We're seeing a significant surge in oil prices, with a nearly 4% increase in the past 24 hours, as fresh strikes in Iran have global markets on high alert, with the potential for a major disruption in oil supplies. This sudden escalation has sent shockwaves through the financial world, with U.S. futures taking a dip in response to the heightened tensions in the Middle East, and investors are now closely watching the situation unfold. According to the latest data, Brent crude has risen to over $70 a barrel, while West Texas Intermediate is closing in on $65, with analysts warning that further disruptions to oil production could lead to even higher prices, potentially exceeding $80 a barrel. The U.S. Energy Information Administration has reported a decline in crude oil inventories, which has also contributed to the price increase, as the market becomes increasingly sensitive to any potential disruptions in supply. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar index has remained relatively stable, hovering around 98, as investors weigh the potential impact of the Iran strikes on the global economy. The rising tensions in the Middle East are causing significant concern among investors, as the potential for a major conflict could have severe implications for global trade and economic stability, with many fearing a repeat of the 1979 oil crisis. The situation is being closely monitored by governments and financial institutions around the world, as the potential for a major disruption to oil supplies could have far-reaching consequences, including higher prices, reduced economic growth, and increased instability. The stakes are high, and investors are on high alert, as the situation in Iran continues to unfold, with many bracing for the worst. Will the situation in Iran continue to escalate, leading to further disruptions in oil supplies, or will diplomatic efforts be able to calm the situation, and what will be the long-term impact on the global economy? How will investors respond to the rising tensions, and what strategies will they employ to mitigate the risks, and will the U.S. Federal Reserve take any action to stabilize the markets? As we continue to monitor the situation, one thing is clear: the global economy is facing significant challenges, and investors must be prepared for the unexpected, so stay tuned to Z Analysis for the latest updates and analysis, and subscribe to our channel for in-depth coverage of the U.S. markets and global economic trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, as we continue to provide you with the insights and analysis you need to stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world of finance.